Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today I am going to tell you the story of Tenali Raman's face saving formula. So let's start to the story. So once upon a time, Krishnadev Raya, the king of Vijayanagara, had ordered Tenali Raman to not show his face. Raman was waiting for an opportunity to win over the king. One morning, Raman was surprised to see a tall, fat man being carried on a chair by four short and stout men. The procession was heading to the palace. This must be the Pailwan from the north, thought Raman, who had heard people talking about a strong man from the north. The Pailwan from the north called on King Krishnadev Raya. I am going around the world to see if I can meet a man stronger than me. I challenge the Pailwans of Vijayanagara to wrestle with me. The king fixed a day for the event and asked his Pailwans to get ready to face the challengers from the north. The Pailwans took one look at the man and his heart sank. He is so huge. I don't think any of us can grapple with him, said one Pailwan. In his hands we will like the chickens, said another. The minister informed the king that the local Pailwans were reluctant to take up the challenge thrown at them by the man from the north. Is there no one who can save the honor of Vijayanagara? Exclaimed the king. One man was ready to save the honor of Vijayanagara. That was Raman. But the king had ordered him not to show his face. You can still help the king, said Raman's wife. The next day, King Krishnadev Raya was surprised to see a visitor whose face was covered with a black pot. Who are you? What's this nonsense? Shouted the king in anger. The man replied, Maharaj, it is me, Raman. Had I not warned you to not show your face again? Yelled the king. Maharaj, I am not showing my face to you. I have covered it. The king couldn't help but laugh. All right, what brought you to the court? The king asked. I want to take on this Pailwan from the north, Maharaj, said Raman. The king was delighted to hear this. He ordered all the Pailwans of the kingdom to report the Raman. On the following day, the Pailwans of Vijayanagara carried Raman on a chair to the arena where the Pailwan from the north is waiting. On his arrival, the king signaled that the contest could begin. Tenali Raman stepped forward. Maharaj, I challenge my opponent to do with eyes open what can I do with my eyes closed, said Raman. The Pailwan from the north thought that it was child's play to do anything with eyes open that an opponent could do with his eyes closed. He nodded his head. A chair was brought for Raman where he sat. He closed his eyes and signaled his assistant. The assistant brought a bucket full of sand and splashed it on the Raman's face. The Raman wiped his face with a towel and opened his eyes. He bowed to the Pailwan from the north and said, Now it's your turn. The challenger was shell-shocked. An attendant brought another bucket full of sand and took position. The Pailwan trembled at the thought of all the sand that would get into his eyes if he were keep his eyes open when the sand was thrown at his face. The very thought scared him. I concede defeat, Maharaj, he said meekly and bowed to Raman. The king gave Raman a handsome reward. The assembled people waved their hands and clapped. The Pailwans of Vijayanagara hoisted Raman on their shoulder and carried him in procession to his house.